Oh, Stella! It's first star. Yeah. Hi, Stanley. And you.
Mitch, I'm
yeah,
Mitch.
You.
Nice to meet you. You know, Blanche, winter break is almost over. Alright, you going back to UM? Eunice will be back soon.
Eunice? Well, where'd she go?
She went to the Caribbean last week.
Well, I had no idea.
Flight 207 for the Bahamas to Miami has fallen in the Atlantic Ocean. No one is expected to have survived.
Oh no! Eunice!
No! I'm pregnant.
Oh my goodness, you're pregnant? Have you told Stanley yet? Oh, this is such good news.
Stanley? What is it, Stella? I'm pregnant.
You what?
Hello, Blanche.
Where are you going?